How to beat the YouTube algorithm in 9 minutes. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is the first time you are coming across my videos, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification post so it will notify you whenever I upload new videos. On this video, I'm going to show you guys how to beat the new YouTube algorithm within 9 minutes. Two things you should not do is: number one, do not upload daily. Yes, uploading daily is not that bad because some people usually think that YouTube favors those that upload daily, that if you keep on uploading daily, by peradventure your video might go viral. That is wrong. Uploading daily will make your subscribers to get tired of your content. You understand? Content that has high value takes time to produce, and uploading daily, you won't be able to give YouTube algorithm the time to process your videos in a right way and give your videos out to the right audience. So uploading daily is actually wrong. So if you have been doing it, you need to stop it. Give them time to process your video. Number two, don't miss content. What I meant by you should not miss content is that, for instance, you upload long video and you as well upload short video. It's kind of going to, get a bit stuck. You are going to get a bit stuck because it won't work and you won't make a lot of money. If you have been checking other YouTubers that have been uploading a lot of shorts and uploading a lot of long video, mixing them together, it is hardly for your algorithm. That is why sometimes you might mostly have a lot of engagement on your short videos, meanwhile your long videos won't get any views because your algorithm has already switched to short videos. I will only suggest that if you want to be doing that way, like missing it, instead of you to be missing it, it's better that you should open new fresh channel. Then if you are posting, you know that you focus on posting short videos, that is on short. Then if you are posting on long video, you focus on posting long videos, that is on long. So it is not bad if you have two YouTube channel. Then first thing you need to do for you to beat the YouTube algorithm is upload times. What I meant by upload times is look for all those YouTube creators that do the same thing that you does. For instance, your niche is tech. You have to look for a tech person, a tech guy, someone that do exactly what you do. Like you teach tutorial on how to grow your YouTube, you have to look for someone that do exactly that. And the person you are choosing must be successful YouTuber, so that you get to know the trends, the videos that is trending on his page. You understand? You need to know the videos that is trending on his page, then you recreate it. Like you create your own tutorial then with the same trending topic. That is the best way to beat YouTube algorithm, because that is the same niche and video that is working for them. Stop creating what you are creating now and follow trends, and those audience that watch theirs will still watch yours. That is how it works. So follow trends. Then thirdly, rename files. Yes, rename files. For instance, you are done editing with CapCut, InShot, or some other editing app. You don't need to just upload it like that. You have to rename it relating to the topic of the video you want to upload. For instance, I want to upload a video about how to grow your YouTube channel faster. So all I need to do is to go to my file name, rename it to how to grow my YouTube channel faster. I think that is the best thing to do before you upload the video. Rename files. It will help you beat the YouTube algorithm very fast. The last but not the least is begin a new channel over old channel. You don't need to use old email. You don't need to use old channel. Begin everything new. So the new YouTubers are the ones getting more viral these days. YouTubers are promoting the newbies more than the old ones. You understand? So instead of you to be thinking maybe I need to re-edit one of my YouTube channel to create channel, I would suggest that you should create everything new, email new, channel new. And that is how most times you likely see that someone that just enter the YouTube app new has already gotten a lot of subscribers within 3 months, and he or she is monetized, and you are stuck on TikTok creating content countless years and you're not making anything. So instead of you to use your own channel, I would suggest you should create everything, make sure that everything is new. So if this video was very helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the subscribe button, leave a like on the video, and leave a comment in order for me to give you guys more tutorials on how to grow on YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.